Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be revising questions of the non-aligned movement. So let's start. The first question: which of the following continents witnessed the formation of new states post the Second World War period? So that would have been Asia and Africa, countries and states in the Asian and African region. Second question: the non-aligned movement was established in C. 1955. Third question: what does the term non-alignment refer to? So it refers to C, both A and B. Fourth question: which of the following coined the term non-aligned? That would have been Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. Fifth question: which of the following are characteristic features of non-aligned movement, or NAM for short? So it does not support power blocks. Power blocks is basically you have two blocks in the world between, let's say, the period of 1945 and 1992. So you had two blocks, the Soviet bloc and the American bloc. So these were the two blocks, and it did not support either power bloc. It was against the Cold War between the USSR and the USA. Member nations judged each issue on merit. So D would be the correct answer. Sixth question: NAM, or the non-aligned movement, is known to have never supported imperialism and colonialism. Seventh question: how did the NAM intend to spread international peace? Through the elimination of the causes and horrors of war, elimination of nuclear weapons. C would be the correct answer. Eighth question: the summits of NAM condemned the racial practices prevailing in which of the following countries? It would have been South Africa. Ninth question: the NAM was supportive of D, all of the above. It was supportive of reduced possession and the use of nuclear weapons, a country not to be member of any military alliance. So there could be an alliance of economical and social alliances, but not military alliances. Third option: strengthening of the UNO, or the United Nations Organization. 10th question: the functions of NAM are related to D, all of the above. You had enforcement of human rights, equality among individual, and promotion of freedom to pursue a free domestic and foreign policy. 11th question: the period of 1950s is known as a period of tension due to D, all of these. So you have the Berlin blockade, you have the Vietnam War, and you have the Congo Civil War. So basically, there were many proxy wars between the period between 1945 and 1992. Proxy wars, in the sense, you had wars in, say, for example, listed over here, you had the Vietnam War and Congo Civil War. And in these civil wars, you always had two sides. So in a fight, you always have two opponents. And the two sides would support either the American bloc or the Soviet bloc. So the Soviet Union and the USA never engaged directly, but you had proxy wars like the Vietnam War, and you had the proxy wars like Congo Civil War, wherein both parties would come into the picture and opponents would support each power bloc. 12th question: which of the following is true about the role played by the NAM in the 1960s? D would be the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the 13th question. Which of the following statements is correct? So the following options are as follows: NAM is free and equal association of states united by common interest to pursue independent foreign policy. So as I said before, in between the period of 1945 and 1992, you had two power blocks, and every country around the world was pressurized to take sides. So basically, NAM was created in order to provide a third option for independent states and nations to be neither on side of the Soviet bloc or the American bloc. So you can say that the correct option would be A, but let's look at the following few questions also. So this is correct. The keyword is independent foreign policy, devoid of taking sides. Then NAM is the largest political formation in the world, next only to the UNO. So this is correct. NAM is playing a significant role in the stabilization of world peace. This is also correct. So D would be the correct answer. 14th, NAM truly represents what? So it truly represents third world countries. 15th question, the non-alignment movement stresses on. So it stresses on both A and B. So C would be the correct option. A states that the nations should follow their policies. B states the nations should not fall under the influence of power blocks. Power blocks in the sense you have the Soviet bloc, the USSR bloc, and you have the American bloc. Okay. 16th question. In objectives, the NAM is also associated with creation of new international economic order, protection of environment, cultural equality. D would be the correct answer. 17th question. Since its formation, the NAM has been fighting for. It has been fighting for national independence. It has been fighting for sovereignty. It has been fighting for territorial integrity. D will be the correct answer. 18th question. Which of the following is known as the architect of the non-aligned movement? So this would be B, all of these. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Previous videos have also been uploaded on the semester 2 history portion, which includes World War II, World War I, the United Nations and major agencies in the United Nations and their functions. So be sure to check those videos out as well as this video. Thanks a lot for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.